I don't be understanding it, man. What make people just be in a nigga business like just... Man, the only man business I'ma be in is one of my partners, and that's if I see something that I feel like I need to just be like, hey boy, I don't know if you count that, but hey boy, I ain't trying to be in your business, but bring that to your attention. Other than that, man, I ain't just trying to, you know, special motherfucker I don't know. I see a motherfucker out buying something like you said, nigga. See you buying some rose gold and walk up and ask you, man, what made you buy rose gold? Bitch ass nigga, it match my watch. Nigga, I like rose gold. Fuck you worried about it for, nigga. Get your bitch ass back over there and buy that shit you finna go buy, nigga. That shit be tripping. Sitting here, sitting my kinfolk Fred, y'all. Got my boy Run over there, he fucking around under the hood. That boy helping me build a dual alternator bracket. This his first time. He think he, know what he doing. I'm trying to guide the young lad on the right track, y'all, you know what I'm saying. He doing this thing. Yeah, man, we in here chopping it up about just how people be hating just for no motherfucking reason, bro. Like, my kinfolk had me laughing. He say he was buying him some jewelry, and a nigga walked up to him and was like, man, what made you get rose gold? Kinfolk say he pulled that old sleeve down and say, nigga, it matched the watch. Nigga hush mouth. But I'm like, damn, this nigga don't even know you. What the fuck made him come just ask you why you buy rose gold? Nigga, what is it your business? I like rose gold. Nigga, I'm not gonna get what you feel like I should get. Then it wouldn't be mine, dumbass nigga. I don't be understanding people, man. But y'all know me, I'm in the lab. Got these batteries, or however y'all want to say it. Y'all know just bullshit. Nah, I got these batteries back here. Finna vacuum out the trunk real good. Take this old carpet out of here. Get some work done. Got the heater blowing as usual. Yeah, we just messing around in here, man. Iron sharpening iron, know what I'm saying? Having good conversation with my kinfolk and my partner in here that's like my little bro. He like to fuck with cars. Today his off day, he was finna go home. He got to hear me talking about building a dual alternator bracket. He get to grabbing cardboard and cutting shit. Hey, shit, let him have it. Shit, he might do the motherfucker better than me. Put his ass straight to work. I know what you can do now. Yeah. That one thing my people gonna tell you, you flex your skills around me, I will put your ass to work. Yeah, don't come around me asking me to do your motherfucking brakes and I know you know how to do them. You better grab that jack and that impact. I got all the shit you need. Change your brakes. You know how to do them. Don't come fucking with me, I'm busy. But they teach them something. They be mad, but at the end of the day, they be like, man, appreciate that, man. You know how to do brakes now. Yeah, I know it. Now you gonna do your own shit from now on. Some people be like, but damn, bro, that's knocking your money. Nah, man, my motherfucking homeboy, man. Shit, teach him the game. Shit, I ain't gonna be here forever. That get him some game he can pass down to his kids, or shit, I might be on vacation and his brakes might go out. Shit, he already know what to do. Hey, man, go to the shop. You already know what the fuck to do. Hey, iron sharpen iron, bro. It ain't all about motherfucking money all the time. That's what be wrong with some people. Yeah, it's cool to get you some money, man, but don't forget reality, because money can run out. A hustle never runs out. Know what I'm talking about? You got you a hustle, man, I got partners that done came up under me, they got their own mechanic clientele. Them niggas send me text messages and shit like, man, gee, I appreciate that, man. When don't no other job work for me, bro, I can get out there and answer my phone and do me some mechanic work, man. I appreciate you for that. Man, make me feel good, bro. Make me feel good, bro. People lose their realness out here, man. People get money, lose sight, act like they ain't never did shit before, act like they scared to touch shit, man. I wouldn't give a damn how much money I get. I'm gonna fuck with cars forever until God tell me I can't work on them no more. It's fun. When I get my money all the way right, the shit gonna be funner because I'm gonna be doing it bigger. So shit, why stop? That's stupid. Then it won't be like work no more because I can just do projects, different shit, man. But yeah, man, it's just another day at FSC, y'all. Shit, I'm sitting here with my people, man. We just iron sharpening iron, man, just talking about different shit. I'm gonna start showing y'all some of that too, man. I got a lot of shit I'm gonna bring to y'all, man, for, entertainment wise, cause I got a bunch of real partners, man. We sit up here and have some live conversations that really need to be heard out here on some, everybody got their own opinion. But yep, I'm gonna update y'all on the dual alternator bracket me and my boy working on. And when I get these batteries and stuff wired up, I'll show y'all what I got going on. Until then, y'all, I'll let y'all later. Y'all stay safe. Always keep it player. Watch people energies. And shit. What's the old saying? Stay sucker free in the land of lollipops.